Hello everyone, welcome back to Quixel Mixer. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to bring this into Unreal. Now the easy way is to go File, Export to Library, choose which maps you want, choose a resolution, the category, the name, and click Export. Now, if you go into Bridge, you will find under the Mixer tab the material that you just exported. Once you're ready to bring it into Unreal from Bridge, you may click this Export button and it will send it straight to Unreal. Now you'll find it here, and sometimes it may miss some of the textures, which is unfortunate. But to fix that, you can hover over the image, click Open in Folder, and here are all the textures. Now you can drag the texture into the Unreal Engine content browser, and there it will appear. And then you can replace the missing textures by double-clicking on the material and replacing them with these input texture parameter groups. Just remember to save the material once you're done and click X to apply it to the scene. Now once you're ready to apply it to something, drag it onto that object, and there it is. And if I look at it, it looks good. It looks very good. Especially as a blank ground asset, it looks very good. Now if I wanted a really cool looking flyover, I would of course want tessellation, which I would want to do in Blender 3D as opposed to Unreal Engine. So refer back to the pre-tessellation lecture in the Blender 3D section to learn how to do this and export this mesh into Unreal. Additionally, if you move over to the Export tab, you can choose an export location and export individual maps. Thankfully, it really is as simple as that. I'm hopeful that you've enjoyed this section on Quixel Mixer. It's a fun tool that adds a lot of value to the Quixel suite. That's all for now. I'll see you next time.